Africa Content TV.
Distinguished ladies and gentlemen of the press, on behalf of members of the Advisory Council, I welcome everybody to this another very historic event and the concluding part in the trajectory of our traditional system in Ibadanland. About 2 months ago, the first aspect of the program was held at our ancient Mabu Hall when our elected high chiefs and members of the Advisory Council were crowned as Obas, combining their age-block titles of high chiefs with royal majesties, and what we are doing here today was then foretold. We thank our Creator for the grace of life to witness this occasion as planned, and again I say kudos to the People's Governor, our own Nigeria FNSC, for keeping faith with us in the traditional system by his gracious approval, the pedestal upon which we stand here today, by jointly making history. Just before I proceed, let me digress a bit and use this opportunity to express my gratitude to the good people of Ibadanland for the show of love, affection, and solidarity during the celebration of my first year coronation anniversary early last month. For good 4 days, people trooped out for the various programs lined up for the anniversary, to my amazement. It was a great honor to me as a person and the Royals too, which I cannot take for granted. I thank the Royalty Committee for the beautiful program and everyone that made contribution to the success one way or the other, as well as the generality of our people who took time to attend the programs, which was a deep expression of your love for me. I heartily appreciate you all, and it is my prayers I will all live to celebrate more of such in good faith, in good health. Back to today's business. As noted earlier, we are here today to fulfill the promise made last month when similar exercise was held at the Asian Hall over there for members of the Advisory Council that some of our Baales in Ibadanland be elevated and crowned as royal highnesses. We are here today for the elevation and crowning of 34 of them from our various communities in our 6 local government councils of Akiele, Lagelu, Ebeda, Olara, Edo, and Oluyole. The list of the beneficiaries are in the program of event. The palace is aware of contentions in the domains of a few of today's beneficiaries of the elevation, and attempt to stop the elevation by the agreed practice knowledge. But we decided to go ahead with the elevation of the affected few alongside others, because they are not being newly installed as Baales, and should they be denied, it is the affected communities that will suffer the loss. So, we consider it more appropriate to go ahead with the elevation as planned, while the agreed parties continue with the process of how to right their claim wrong in installing the affected Baales in the first instance. And I want to publicly assure all that as soon as it is evidently established that the wrong was actually committed in installing somebody as a Baale, such stands removed without any pressure. As recalled during our last exercise, we have a very unique system in our traditional setup in Ibadan, which continues to evolve, responding to dynamics of demand as occasions may dictate, and this has been confirming the age-long aphorism that the only thing that is permanent in life is change. In our responses to the changes over the years, there had always been issues of converging consensus as argument for or against always ensue. Thankfully, the issue of some of our Baales wearing crowns has never been subject of debate, as there is a consensus on it. In short, whatever we have today in Ibadan, as far as our traditional system is concerned, are products of periodic changes. We have passed through, and there is no shying away from making this our own contribution to the system, with the conviction that posterity will record us rightly. By today's exercise, we have completely changed the face of our traditional system. We can now rub shoulders with other places in the community of towns and cities. It's gratifying to know that the public opinion on the first leg of the exercise has been that of applause and commendation. And we are convinced and happy that by the elevation exercise, including the one we are doing today, we are meeting the yearnings and expectations of our people. Once again, the determination of our governor in the state and in Ibadan in ensuring the making of this issue cannot be emphasized. We cannot gloss over the boldness and political will of his predecessor, late Senator Ishaq Abiola Ajimobi, who against all odds broke the jinx which had become a recurring decimal since the advent of the current democratic experience. They so continue to peacefully rest. Whatever flaws noticed in the step taken by the late former governor Ajimobi on the issue have been corrected by Engineer Makinde, giving us confidence that what we are doing has come to stay. At this juncture, it needs to be stressed that the liberalism being brought into the system will not be taken for granted. We all know that there is hierarchy in our system, and what we are doing does not give room for the traditional hierarchy to be eroded in any manner. Honor must at all times be given to whom honor is due. I won't go into repetition of the oath that will be administered on the new Obas, or that has been administered on the new Obas after your planning today, but the oath must be your guide. Excellencies, the government functionaries present are invited royal fathers both from within and outside the state, members of the advisory council, eminent personalities like Olubadan, gentlemen of the press, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. I thank you all for taking time to be part of another historic event for our traditional season of Ibadanland, with some of our Baales receiving crowns as Obas with the appellation of your Royal Highnesses. Wishing you all abundance of Allah's blessings at all times and His jolly mercy back to your respective destination. Okay, I go out.
Ohun ọba láti ẹnu bàbá kékeré. Àṣẹ